Presenting the Mini 2018 Hardtop 2-door John Cooper Works. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are technology package, cold weather package, LED headlights with cornering lights, premium package, Centrix satellite radio, heated front seats, Harman Kardon premium sound system, comfort access keyless entry and carbon black dynamic leather upholstery. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.